Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.